Are you ready?
Yeah, it's recording already.
Oh, that's a nasty one.
That probably has poison or something.
Think I should eat it, Widow?
No.
Yeah? It's not poisonous.
Do you don't think that's poisonous? It hisses. Listen to it hiss.
He's gonna
Listen to it hiss.
Oh, let go.
You want me to eat it? Let me see, let me look at it.
Eat that bitch.
That fucker's gonna bite you.
Eat him. Eat him.
I'm gonna eat, I have no problem.
Eat it. Eat it.
Crush his head first.
I'm
Before
just gonna
you eat it. I'm not worried about his head biting me.
Bite you.
I'm worried about him
Hold on, I'm gonna see
poisoning me.
I
I'm gonna
wouldn't.
poison you. Alcohol's in this thing.
Alcohol and ass.
Alcohol in it.
La verga, he hooked onto me.
It's gonna hook onto you inside your mouth.
You gotta chew him.
Ah, hurry.
You gotta chew him.
He has a fucking thing too.
I wanna bite his antenna off first. God damn, that was nasty. Was it?
Eat the bug. Eat it.
If that tastes nasty, who knows, eh?
Eat it.
Fear factor, just slam it down with that.
Just take it like the shot.
Eat it.
You gotta chew it though.
I think. Crunching it. Swallow it.
What's really going on?
Swallow him.
That's it. That's it, son.
Antenna's still on your tongue.
You ate